This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. $6.58 a month approximate electric bill. Why? 21 solar panels takes care of all electrical items in this amazing home. Installed 2020 and has transferable warranty. Beautifully set on a 1.04 acre level lot featuring a large screened porch and deck. Sellers have done all the right things to enhance this spacious and inviting home. Newer appliances, remodeled master bath, a beauty, installed gutter guards, new carpeting in first floor master bedroom with stunning remodeled master bath, newer carpet in family room. 45-year warranty, new water heater 2019. Hardwood floors in living room, dining room and kitchen. Second floor has 4 large bedrooms. Oversized 2-car garage. Minutes to shopping, schools and Interstate 64. Zoned rural residential, a gardener's delight or pool you've always wanted. For more information